Today's big question: where did the word computer come from? It turns out the word has been around a lot longer than you might think, and it has nothing to do with silicon chips or artificial intelligence. No, the first recorded use of the word computer from 1613, referring to humans who performed mathematical calculations. You heard that right. Back in the day, there were no calculators or even mechanical adding machines, so when complex calculations were needed, they were performed by real live people following a set of fixed mathematical rules. These people were called computers. The word evolved over time from people doing math to machines that did math, and today we have computers that do math. The word computer first appeared in writing in 1613 in a publication called the Table Book of Sir Isaac Newton, published by a guy named Henry Digby. The book contains astronomical and meteorological calculations based on the works of Johannes Kepler and Tycho Brahe. It was common back then for important scientific discoveries to be published in table form because, well, that's how numbers work. And it seems like the word computer was used in this publication to refer to the people who generated the tables, i.e., the humans doing the math. The Oxford English Dictionary also cites an 1816 publication called the Scottish Gallividian Encyclopedia that defines the word computer as one who computes or calculates, as in the computer of the difference between two large numbers. The word made its way to America with early European settlers and can be found in an 1820 book called the Western Monthly Magazine, and it was used in the same way. By the mid-19th century, the definition of computer had started to shift from human calculator to something more mechanical. This usage is believed to have originated in France with the introduction of the analytical engine by Charles Babbage in 1837. The engine was one of the earliest mechanical general-purpose computers and is considered a pivotal moment in the history of computing. The French started calling these machines ordinateurs, which evolved into the English word computers. Babbage himself referred to the analytical engine as a calculating machine, and it wasn't until later that the word computer caught on. Regardless of what they were called, these early machines were still following a set of fixed mathematical rules, but they were able to do so much faster than humans. They couldn't connect to the internet or run apps, but they could perform certain calculations much faster than people. In 1843, Ada Lovelace wrote the first computer program for the analytical engine, and she is now considered to be the world's first computer programmer. But she was not the first computer. That distinction goes to Countess Eva Lovelace, who created a set of notes on the analytical engine that described how it could be used to calculate Bernoulli numbers. Her work was foundational to the development of modern computing, and she is a true pioneer of the field. The shift from mechanical to electronic computers happened gradually over time. Early electronic computers like ENIAC used vacuum tubes, which were large and expensive and generated a lot of heat. As transistors and integrated circuits became smaller and cheaper, computers became more powerful and accessible. Today, computers are everywhere, and we often take them for granted. When you fire up your laptop or smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the thousands of years of human ingenuity that went into making that possible. We have come a long way from the first computers who followed a set of fixed mathematical rules. And while the word computer now refers to machines, it will always have a special meaning for those of us who do math for a living. So there you have it. The word computer has been around for centuries and has evolved alongside our understanding of mathematics and technology. Who knows what the future will hold? Maybe one day we will have computers that can do math better than humans. But until then, we can take solace in the fact that we are the original computers. Thanks for watching this episode. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fun science and tech facts.